Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today. We are going to be making this lovely little card here. A really simple, but I think effective card. Just using the black, the VersaFine Clair Black and our clean colour Kuretake pens, just to switch the lights on. But it just shows you how you can mix and match some of your stamps to create a lovely little story. Okay, so let's pop that to the side and get started. I'm going to start by stamping up our lovely books all in a line, and then we'll pop our houses on the top. And now we'll pop our houses on top of the books. You can put them wherever you like. Okay, so lastly we're going to pop these lovely little ladders at the side of the books, because the fairies are going to need something to walk up, or pixies, or whoever you want walking up the side. Of course, with them being fairies, they could fly, of course, through up to the house. But I think the ladders look quite nice. Okay, so I have another little pound stamp here, which I use an awful lot. It's a very, very delicate little stamp, and you only need to press lightly. But I just feel like it needs a little bit of foliage just to soften it. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to use our small stencil brush now, and I'm literally going to take that to the bottom of the books. So we're just grounding this now. I'm going to run it at the side a little as well. Now we have a gap here, an unintentional gap, so we'll just fill that. Now I'm being very careful not to go around over where the light is. So just go around it. And then very, very softly, I'm just blending out. So around the light. So keep building very, very slowly. We don't want to put too much ink on all at the same time. We just want it to be soft. Taking that ink off your brush to blend it out. You don't have to use the VersaFine Clair. You can use the elements if you wish. Sometimes I just feel that the VersaFine, with it being an oil-based ink, you just get that nice bit of depth. Okay, so we are good to go with that. Now I just need my Kuretake clean colour pen, and we can now put the lights on and in the houses. Shall we add? Yes, we shall add a little bit of glitter. Why not? Okay, and there we have it. How quick and easy is that? And I really like that little bit of glitter at the bottom. So a nice, quick, easy, effective way of creating yourself a lovely little card with a story. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care. See you soon.